Welcome. Today we'll solve this integral using the substitution method. Let's look at the integral we need to solve, the integral of f of x to the n power times f prime of x dx. Let's solve this step by step. First, we make a substitution. Let u equal f of x. Then, the derivative do equals f prime of x dx. Now we can rewrite our integral in terms of u. Notice how f of x becomes u, and f prime of x dx becomes do. Now we can integrate u to the n power. Using the power rule, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by that new exponent. This gives us u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Remember, this only works when n is not equal to -1. Finally, we substitute back f of x for u. This gives us our final answer, f of x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Let's summarize what we did. We used substitution to convert a complex integral into a simpler form, integrated using the power rule, and then substituted back to get our final answer. This technique is very useful for solving integrals involving functions and their derivatives.